Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Looking at the weekly chart here, we're looking at an overview history, of course, very fast for Nvidia. So in the white count, we are in a 1, a 2, of course, expanding flat for your wave 2 as, of course, impulse 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing wave 3 in the yellow and finishing a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in the yellow. Probably, of course, with this 1 2 3 4 5, we're gonna check if it has been finished or not. With this wave 5 in the yellow, it has finished a wave 3 in the orange. 1 2 3 4 and a 5. We're looking currently for a wave 4 here at the 0.23, $20 or $21 probably, which is the minimum target for a wave 4 in an impulse. Taken, of course, from your wave 2 in the orange count here, where actually, yeah, it should be even, let me snap this. Oh, I think it has been shifted a little bit here. Here we go. Yeah, so we are looking for, here we go, $24 at 0.23 fib level, of course, probably as a target for Nvidia. So let's see, of course, inside this wave. Let's move a little bit closer in the daily. As you can see in the daily, we are looking at this move toward the upside, where we have 1 2 3 4 and a 5, a gap not closed, by the way, which, yeah, it might be closed with this wave 4. So by the way, let's put these gaps also in highlight as a box. Here we go. So we might close this in our wave 4. Very nice. And then, of course, moving now with 1 2 3 4 and 5, your wave 5. Your wave 5 is 1 2 3 4 and a 5, probably here in a leading contracting or ending diagonal. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Of course, as contracting diagonal, we can see, of course, in this inside our our chart. Here we go. Let's move a little bit closer in the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have here a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So this wave 5 should finish, of course, the wave 5 in the daily, right, for a wave 5 in the top here. And we are looking here at something, yeah, as of course, moving for lower as expected before, which we got some unlikes with the video. I don't know why. It was a profitable trade anyway, but however, we're looking at an impulse 1 2 3 4 and a 5, hitting the 1.618 perfectly. It was a perfect hit, $114 as a 1.618. Now we got some gaps again, guys, so don't forget that we might, of course, finish a 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. We might, of course, close this gap with a wave 4 and finishing a wave 5, meaning you are looking here at a 1 2 again, 3 4 and a 5. And for this wave or 2, you would like, of course, to close the gap that we have exactly here. So now on the 4-hour chart, we have two gaps. The first one is here for a wave 4 probably, and the second one is exactly here for a wave 2. Yeah, here we go. And of course, this was our invalidation of bearish scenario. In case this impulse moves and hit exactly this level, therefore the impulse will be invalid. Did that happen? No. Okay, so it didn't happen. It has retraced back down for a wave 5 without invalidation of an impulse. And yeah, so basically we are looking at 1 2 3 4 and a 5. We want to finish a wave 1. Let's have a target for a wave 5, by the way. So if you have a wave 5 here, you would like to hit wave 5 over wave 1. Here we go. Exactly. At 1 to 1 fib level or between the 0.618 as well is very, very possible targets. Blue zone to be hit, of course, 101 or $95 for Nvidia. After this, we are looking for higher prices, of course. So these are the passes right now. We're looking for a little bit lower after, of course, a wave 4. Don't forget, yeah, we might shift a little bit higher in a leg, but then, of course, moving lower in red. And then, of course, I would seek after a wave 2 to close this gap. Yeah. And with this wave 2, we might, of course, shift towards the downside for a wave, big wave 4, which is going to be an impulse. Let's put this exactly there. So probably after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Exactly, those are the insights for the 4-hour chart, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I hope I don't get on dislike, of course, for the video again, because I mean, come on, guys. I mean, I gave a beautiful trade here. I don't know why I got a dislike for it. That's not nice. So let's continue with this. Of course, in case we are in A here, you're gonna finish a wave A probably, or even another bigger one, 2 here, but probably it's gonna be a wave A. So wave A, B, and a C. Yeah, so the wave C will close perfectly our gap over there. So this is what I'm looking for: A, B, and a C. So here we go, and this is gonna be in the, here we go, yeah, A, B, and a C probably. So this is our path as well, 3 waves up in green, and then of course a wave C toward the downside, of course, as an impulse to close this gap. Here we go. This is gonna be in red actually. Finishing a wave 4 in the orange scenario, and then start probably our wave 5 for higher prices, which as expected, of course, on the weekly. We want to take the all-time high again. So yeah, these are the insights, guys, for Nvidia. Currently, we're looking for this. Currently, we are looking for the 95 dollar, of course, in a wave 4 and a 5, then looking for a wave 2 after an impulse 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5, finishing a wave A, and then 3 wave corrective toward the upside for a wave B, and then of course moving lower again, closing this gap at a wave 4 for the orange scenario, and then moving even higher for the all-time high. That was it for Nvidia. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.